create the dress look is by getting this point over here and putting that over your shoulder. You're gonna hold this in place, then grab the rest of the skirt and wrap it around your body. This is going to come to the front, and then you're going to get this back strap and put it under this one, bring this around, and then it meets at the front where you can form a nice little tie to hold it all in place. So you're going to want to, once it's all in place, obviously adjust it a little bit. I'll take this bra off so you can see what it looks like without the bra under there. I've got the full dress on now without the bralette at the back, and I just want to show you how it sits. As you can see, the length is not a full maxi length. It's kind of more midi, but you do have an asymmetrical cut at the bottom. So you've got this fabric or panel of fabric under here, which is a little shorter, and then this panel of fabric just goes over to add a bit of length and a nice little asymmetrical cut down at the hem, but it also kind of makes you feel more secure, so you're not going to expose too much of a leg at any point while wearing it. Do make sure that you're getting the correct size though. So if you get a skirt that's a little too small, you're not going to have a lot of fabric to play with to cover all the parts that you feel comfortable covering. And you can also see I don't have a lot of side boob over here either, because this piece of fabric is securely tucked under this band. If you do feel like you're a little uncomfortable, you have a bit of a side boob that you're not comfortable with, I'd recommend getting some garment tape and just holding that in place. So you can get a safety pin and hold that piece of fabric and attach it to the band there, and it should kind of just hold in place the whole time you're wearing the skirt as a dress. But other than that, you can see that I'm feeling pretty confident, just walking around in it. I can dance and feel fine. And yeah, I love wearing it like this. I think it's such an amazing travel staple because I wear it as a skirt and then a dress. And then I can also kind of lift it up and tuck it into pants to wear it as a top. But let me know what you think. I'd love to see how you style your eyeless skirts. I honestly think there's so many different ways that I haven't even figured out on how to style this skirt yet. So let me know if you find your ways, and make sure to send us some pics.